Good afternoon to you, Morgan. Yeah, that hearing pretty much just ended. Judge Higginbottom pretty much ruled that advocates could not prove that these bills were passed into the House unconstitutionally. Now, this is after advocacy groups, pretty much criminal justice advocates, filed a temporary restraining order demanding more public hearings on 4 crime bills specifically. Now, those include House Bill 4 that seeks to amend current post-conviction relief procedures for inmates, House Bill 6, which would seek to add nitrogen gas and electrocution to methods used to carry out death sentences. House Bill 9, which would eliminate parole for those convicted of a crime after August 1st, and House Bill 10, which would require those convicted of a crime to serve 85% of their prison sentence before they're eligible to pretty much have reduced time for good behavior. Now, this morning, 4 witnesses were called. Advocates argue that the public was not given enough time to weigh in. Defense argued that a public hearing was held. We actually just spoke with an attorney representing those advocacy groups following the order being denied.
Returning to the place of executing people with electrocution and nitrogen gas and restricting an individual's right to seek post-conviction relief is it's moving to a place not of democracy. And that's not where I think we were looking to go.
And that crime session does go into next week, and I will have much more on this at 4, 5, and 6. Reporting live from Baton Rouge, Shay O'Connor, WDSU News.
Shay, thank you.